Gold futures are up about $5 on Monday. Here to talk to me about it is Phil Streible of RJO Futures. Phil, as always, Monday, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So what do you see?
Well, we had that report on Friday. Gold prices actually, they should have broke through that 1330 level, but that's a real key level of support. The range is 1330 on up to 1350. Now today we also had some Chinese data that was a bit weaker than expected. That should have brought it down too. Remember, the Chinese have been the leader in buying up some of the physical assets and taking out a lot of inventory out of stock. But the main catalyst here, and the only thing that we could see that's driving this up, is you got the stock market breaking down pretty good. The S&P was just down about 10 points. It's a sizable loss. If you look at the chart pattern, it's got a nice flag and it's starting to break through some of those lower levels. People are going to start bidding up safety, and safety lies in the gold market right now, so it's turning back up.
Yeah, Phil, it's interesting that we've seen quite a bit of resiliency in the yellow metal in 2014. As most of us who follow this space know, 2013 was a terrible year for gold. So I'm wondering, with the worries in the Ukraine and kind of an uneven stock market, what are you expecting through the rest of March?
Well, I don't think that gold prices are going to get like this massive boost on up through like $1,400, $1,500. Surely by the end of March, and I really think that the metal is going to be weighed in on those taper talk and just an unwinding of that. I think that the dollar index is going to start to strengthen once this Ukraine-Russia problem is resolved, or it seems like there is some kind of progress being made. Probably going to see the euro currency start to come down a little bit, because some of those guys have been shifting in Russia and out of the ruble and into the euro currency. That's been boosting the euro, taking the dollar down, keeping the gold market inflated. I think that whole thing is going to just completely unwind. You're going to see gold prices start to retest that 1300 level.
Interesting. Well, Phil Streible, as always, thanks for your take.
Thank you.
That's Phil Streible of RJO Futures. For TheStreet, I'm Joe Deaux.